Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix a blurry avatar on Roblox. This issue is usually caused by low quality texture loading or incorrect display scaling settings. First, just open your Windows search bar and search for Roblox Player. Then choose to open the file location. Now right-click on your Roblox Player and choose to open file location again. From here, you will see Roblox Player data. Right-click on it and open the properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab and click on Change High DPI settings. Make sure to toggle on Program DPI and also enable Override High DPI scaling behavior. Set it to Application, then click OK. Click Apply, and then click OK. After that, go ahead and open Roblox. Your avatar textures should now appear clear and high quality. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the blurry Roblox avatar issue by adjusting high DPI scaling settings in the compatibility options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial video.